Hello everyone, this is Crypto Maximalist. Welcome back to another video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and get involved if you like the content. We're currently running a giveaway for those who are liking our videos, so give the video a like if you want to be entered into that giveaway. So we're just taking a look at Bitcoin here, and as we can see, looking like we have come down and confirmed that lower low on that candle a few days ago. You can see here this candle did close outside of the range for the first time ever since June. Let's make no mistake about it here. Obviously with the FTX news in the wider market, everyone started panicking, shorting Bitcoin. Everyone's, losing their shit basically. But we can see here, these bullish divergences are still very, very apparent in our opinion. You can see we've actually come down, made the lower low on the price action. You see your lows here and your lower lows here. You got your low on your RSI and your higher low on the RSI over here. If we take a look back at this big capitulation event down here, we're down at around 20 on the RSI. Over the past few days, we've come down to around 25. So we're still quite an order of magnitude away from being similar in terms of the RSI. We do still strongly stand by what we said in our previous video, that in reality, it's most likely, in our opinion at least, that, Bitcoin is getting quite exhausted to the downside now, just like the wider crypto market. If we just take a look at how far down now we are from the all-time high. If I just measure this from the top to the bottom, a 77% drop so far to that swing low. Obviously, a lot of people still looking for that 80% move to the downside to really start getting back into Bitcoin. We're assuming there's a lot of buy orders down in this area that we have highlighted here. You can see that basically where we broke out for the previous bull market. Everyone's expecting, the price to come back into here and then get a huge bounce in that area. There's probably a ton of buy orders down there as well. Let's make no mistake about it. But we can see for Bitcoin here, we've had a fairly decent, retracement to the upside, haven't we? We actually came down and found support on this key level here, which I'll highlight. Looking something like this. In and around that aerial structure. Can I change this to the SR flip? Support. Weekly low. That'll do for now. This is a very key level, isn't it? Let's make no mistake about it. If you look back here, you can see once we lost this key area of structure that we have been sitting on, this was the next little area of support and resistance here. As you can see, there's a little bit of structure here that we have found some footing on in and around this area. And we did get a bit of an overextension, then a bounce straight out of that area as well. And if you look at the hourly time frame, you can see basically what's happened here. For Bitcoin, obviously this big parabolic move to the downside. We bottom out in this area. We come back up and, we start to make a little bit of, local bullish market structure. Getting back above our EMAs now, looking like the volume's dropped off. We're just chopping it sideways again. Not much is happening. Basically waiting for the next move, aren't we? So very simply, we're just going to keep things short and sweet today. Obviously, we've got the bottom of the range that needs retesting again at that 18.5K level. Or if we roll to the downside, you're probably looking at a double bottom back test down at around that 15.5 to 16K area. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to check out the links in the description below to support the channel. Grab yourself some free money bonuses, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.